What's crack-a-lackin'? You squatchy bastages. Oh, yeah, I got final on this thing here. I just got invited to be a TikTok shop creator. I guess they send me stuff and I gotta make a little ad for them and tell them what I think of it or whatever. I don't know. But I got enough. I got blue million followers over there. I get a bunch every day. I ain't made no new video over there for a long time. I still got the same ones I've had there. The same videos. You know, and hell, they don't give you like a minute. You gotta do a real fast video. And it's over with. So, I don't know. I ain't did one in a long time over there, so. I forgot how to do a damn video over there. So, anyway, I had an old buddy tell me, asked me one time, he looked at me real serious. And then my older brother said the same thing. You ever seen one of them extra testicles? Like that, they said that. Anyway, yeah, here's this thing. I finished it. I could have done a video last night, but I didn't. So, man, there it be like. I had a couple extra decals. These right here. Them come with one of them Kenmore's kits. I added these to it. I had several different license plates. It's got the black ones there, Michigan plates. And down here is this one over here is one that Jack in the Box sent me one of them. Kentucky. He sent me some Kentucky plates and Ohio plates. That's Kentucky. Kenton County, which is northern Kentucky. And then Squatch. And Squatches and it's what old Tom sent me a bunch of different ones, different states. It's the same thing up here. And I had one of them things. One of them plates has got the little bitty different states in it. I forget what the hell they call them. Oh, see it. Can you see it? Glare. Oh, there you go. Well, there you go. Kiss my ass. That's another old thing for senior. And got some down here too. Kiss my ass. One on each side. Some things, they come with two different sets of them chicken chaser lights, two different sets of air horns, and that's the only one that I could get it fit because of that damn foiler. Big GMC chrome piece here and then one right here on each side. That's just something I don't know, I was in the mood just to do a big rig. So. The interior is pretty much all gray, about 3 different colors of gray except for the steering wheel and steering column. Let's see if I can What the heck? There you go. There's a big turbine. This shifter stuff and the shifter plate or whatever that is supposed to be right here, and there's a hole in that floorboard that's supposed to go through, but them damn things never work right. I cut it off, that plate off of that with the shifter, and it glued it up in there, so it's on the way it worked. I probably could have got it to work right, but you had to do a lot of fooling with it. But yeah. There it is. Oh. Yeah, and that pin for the hinges and the pins that for that thing to raise the cab up and down. I cut them little nibs off. It's on the end of them hinges, and there's like a bracket with a hole in each side coming off from it frame. And them pins supposed to fit through there, but I fool with fool. You can never get them some inches to work right either. So I cut them little nibs off and drilled them things out and just made a pin all the way through. So yeah. There's another one. Another one for the books. Running out of room fast on a shelf. I think I have a spot left for maybe 2 more models. Well, maybe 3. I think I've got open spots there. Well, I may have a couple more, but geez, and that big yellow rigger, the Hino 35th scale. That's one of them I knocked off, knocked one of the mirrors off, broke the front axle, had to super glue it back on. Knocked this one off, knocked the front axle off of it, the front clip, knocked it off. I didn't put it back on. So. Yeah, look at the fucking dust. God damn. I can dust in here, and you know, a week from now, it'll be dusty as hell again. But, anyway. Yeah, there you go. Ewans. Yeah. I don't know if I could. Well, ain't nothing special underneath. It's the same old same. Oh, hey. Oh. Yeah, but yeah, that's the name of that too. And I get started on this for this. And it'd be for, I know it's not really for him, it's just named after him, but it'd kind of be for him too. Plus, there's a couple other people I got in mind, which, like I said the other day, I'm not going to say their names because I don't want any of them getting pissed off at me for something I wasn't allowed to do, you know what I mean? But I know who they are. I know who it's for, so. One had brain cancer, and the other had something in their neck, some kind of growth, malignant thing. So, but they're still fighting, both of them. So there's the instruction sheet for that. Start off that big. I think it's a 425. What's coming in? I think you can get a 455 too, but I think it's 425. It don't matter. But it ain't like about 6 steps to that. So you see the chassis here. It's got an axle goes on, metal axle goes all the way through the. Got a little bit of detail on it, front end that goes up underneath there. I'll just put it together, do what I can. Like I said, I'm gonna try to do two-tone on it. Something like that, I guess. But this got decals too. I didn't know they were buried in there. I couldn't find none the first time I looked. But yeah, I think them decals will be all right with that too. So we got 11. No, there you go. The California, and then these things. I don't know if you can make out the detail in them or not. Yeah, you can see a little bit. They still might look alright on that top of that paint job I'm gonna do. It's all about the gold, but I don't know. I see this kind of gold do. I don't know. It's a little darker gold than that. I got a color that's close to that gold. But I like this better. There's one over here that's kind of a metallic green too. That would look cool. Anyway, yeah. And I think that's maybe starting on this over there. That other little desk start on there. That's one Kyle sent me. I got a nice V8 Ford to put in it. One that come out Husky and Starch Torino. That's pretty nice. And I think it's a Cobra or a Cleveland 351 Cleveland. 2 Fords on it. But it looked pretty cool in there. I got a couple other small block Fords, but they look even smaller than that. At least that Cleveland. It looks bigger than them. I got a 289, a 302, or what's supposed to be. But I still kind of, I'm debating. I got several big blocks, GMs. Maybe put one of them in there. I don't know. I think about it while I'm working on this. So, and I started on that. That'll be kind of a tribute to Kyle, since he's the one that sent me that. It'd be in his name, his honor, or whatever. There's another one I need to get started on too. Either one of those little old Broncos or that big Land Rover 4-wheel drive thing. Think about doing that. I've been wanting to do that for quite a while. That one and one of those little Broncos, what my daughter Cheyenne sent me. So And I need to really get started on one of those. Do one for her. So I don't know, I got a blue dipping million things to choose from. I can't make up my mind what I want to do. No. Sell rat rods, I'd kind of like to start on, or at least one anyway. Use one of those Iceman engines I got. And think about building some kind of car and put one of them Cummins engines down in it. That'd be cool. I got 3 different Cummins. One of them I'm gonna put in a pickup. And then I got that big Power Stroke Ford. I'm gonna, hopefully whenever that record gets here, it's one I want to use it for. But then, well, it should be here sometime this month. Or, well, maybe first or second week of November should be. Yeah, I got another one of these too. This is one that Frank over at AK Collectibles sent me. I get started on that too. Whenever I do that, I'll do that in Frank and Jackie's honor. Alright, y'all. I've been trying to check on them decals too from Ray's Kits for it Hearst Scrambler. I don't know. Okay, alright. Adios, y'all.